This is what you need if you're going out there. If you are crazy enough to go out like these guys. Are you out here? Come on, it's too dangerous, right? No? They are laughing. These guys are tough. So you can't really complain. I mean, if this is not impressing you, then nothing will, right? Take a look at this. But again, this is the roughest water you can find here. I mean, the other place you can go to would be Maui. They have the same type of place up there. It's just windy beyond belief, right? I mean, look at this. They are standing on this and they have some kind of thing going down in the water here. So they are like flying on top of the waves. And the sand is really bright there. And there is something up in the sky right there. This guy is still on land, he's probably preparing, but once they are out, they are just flying. More people are coming down. They like to check this out. They are like supporters or maybe observers. And how many do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, at least 9 or 10 of these guys are out in the water here. It looks like a lucky guy. One guy, 3 girls. So what's going on here? You're a lucky guy today. Yeah. Yeah. They did some photo shoot. I noticed some of these sails or whatever you call it, they have different kinds. And some guys, they are flying, they go up like 10 feet in the air or more. I hope they know how to swim, but even if you're a professional swimmer here, it will be kind of rough, right? Let's take a look. Here's also a plane going up from Dillingham. I'm not sure if they're hopping out soon, but up it goes. Okay, let's analyze these guys here. Let's see. Okay, I mean, they're far out, I know. It's hard to tell, but they are just hanging there. And what they do is they go out, and it looks like when they are catching, you know, a nice wave, they basically take off and get airborne for a few seconds. This one is a little bit closer here. And by the way, it's also really windy here, so I'm not sure how the quality of the audio will be here, but let's give it a shot. And you see this guy in the water, he has a different kind. Some kind of inflatable Batman wing, right? And the kids here have just a fun time here in the shoreline. And by the way, you don't see too many surfboards here, but here's one tough guy. He's going to do real surfing, right?
Kite surfing.
Oh, you do that too?
Kite surfing, yeah.
Kite surfing, it's not even surfing, it's kite surfing. What do I know here? Yeah, that's crazy. I can't even tell the difference between these boards. I mean, I'm completely lost here. Surfing, kite surfing, whatever surfing. I mean, you have so many options here. And we also have a staging ground right here. The cool guys. They bring out the stuff, they set it up, they kind of look at it, they talk about it. Once in a blue moon, they go out. And it looks like they are sticking in their feet in these two loops here. Wow. That's your stuff?
Yep.
My God. You're a brave man. I mean, I'm scared. No? So what do you need? How much are these wings?
That's a kite.
It's a kite. It's not even wings. It's a kite.
Those other guys are wing foilers.
These are
That's a
wing
wing.
guys. Okay.
This has lines.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if I want to buy a rig like this, how much do I pay?
A couple grand, you know, with board and 2-3
Okay.
grand. Brand new,
Okay.
kite, board.
Yeah. And they last for a long time?
A couple of years.
Couple of years, okay. All right. Well, it looks fun though.
Yeah, super fun.
Do you need to be able to swim to go out there?
Yeah, well, you can only go out as far as you can swim in.
Okay. Which is 10 feet, right? Yeah.
Yeah, guys make that mistake. They go too far out.
They go too far out.
911.
My goodness. And how far out will you go?
I go blue water. I'll go a couple hundred yards.
A couple of hundred? Okay, so you're a professional swimmer then.
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, I need to practice on this terminology here. Take a look at this. Oh man, there's one just outside. See that white one? Wow, I missed it. And I need to be careful here because they, as you can see, they have lines down here on the ground.
Yep.
Wow. You know, I'm not even going to try to cross it. Howdy. Don't tell me you are going out too, right?
I am.
She's going out. Come on, that's too dangerous, right? or am I wrong?
No, you're right.
Okay. How many years have you done this?
4.
4 years. And this is it. This is the fun thing to do, right? All right, cool. Good luck to you. Let's check out that white one. Suddenly the battery ran out here, but they are taking these kites down here. And here's another guy coming in here. Let me back up a little bit. Take a look at this one. This board is like a rectangle. It's completely different from the other ones that look like more like a surfboard. Wow. Let's see how it takes this down. Yeah, this was really interesting. I mean, then we know it's a couple of $1,000s to buy this kite or whatever they called it, and they last a few years until you get tired of it and you want to buy another color, another profile. Here's another one. He just came in here. I mean, it's probably very demanding, right? You're out holding this one all the time, and how many minutes can you do? Like 20, 30, an hour, what? Maybe he swapped the board. I see he left something on the beach. The one with fins there, and he picked up that rectangular, should I call it a board, or there's probably some fancy name for it, but let's see how he's getting out. That can be cool. What do you need to do? Let's learn all the secrets right here from a professional windsurfer guy here. Oh, he's up. Yeah, he got it. Oh man, he just took off. That's fast. And another guy is coming in here. They go really fast. My God. And we have another guy here. Hey, good luck to you.
Thank you.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it's super fun.
That's his color. And he said it's super fun, and I believe that when I see it here. Okay, can he get up on the board? All right. He kind of, I don't know, he threw himself on that board and he's going out. I'm not sure what he's doing. Maybe that's the cool way to hop onto a board. See, he's lying down, put his feet in, and then he's doing some magic stuff. And come on. Oh, he's up. And he's flying. I mean, these guys, wow, look at that. Crazy. All right. That is pretty cool. We have a nice couple here. I don't know if they are hopping out in the water for a little swim, maybe. This is probably very, very addictive. Once you start, you can't stop, right? And in order to set up your rig, you need some free space. So that's the reason this park here is so popular for these guys, right? Because it's not crowded. You could actually put out your kite, your lines, you know, all that stuff, right? I think I will wait 1 minute and see if somebody's coming here to go out. Maybe in the meanwhile, there's one coming here. That's what I call a show off, and that's right. I mean, you come in here, you kind of go on the side, and you will end up on YouTube, right? Yeah, I like that. It's kind of cool. Feel free to show off anytime. That's the whole point of this. And I see one more is coming down here now, so maybe in a minute, okay? Yeah, he took that mini surfboard, right? And left the other one on the beach here. And now he lost the board. He got it. she got some help, and now it's up and flying here right in the sun, so we can barely see it. But this was a fun little visit. This is the most I have seen up here, actually. Or maybe it's a special day, maybe it's a windsurfing day or whatever, but I've been here many times and never seen this amount of windsurfers. So with that said, time to move on.